I was searching the net and I came across these Backbox repair clips. So I thought I'd give them a try and see if they're any good. So one of the electrician's nightmares is that you come to replace an accessory on the wall and the clip has been broken in the side, or it's missing, it's just rusted out, or all the thread's just gone. So that's where these Backbox clips are supposed to come in really useful. Come in packs of 5. You can get them online from backboxrepairclip.co.uk. Simply put, it's just a normal clip. Get into focus there, but it's just a normal clip with a thread insert as per normal, fitting your standard accessory screw. Comes in 2 parts, obviously go together like so. That's the advantage that it can still move up and left to right, so you can make sure your box is level. There's a handy little clip which clips on the back of the Backbox. So in theory, I've done this before. Let's just see if that clips into place. It's pretty tight going, but that's how you want it. It clips in place. So still a bit of movement in there. And you screw your box into place. There's a bit of movement in there, so you can bend it out a little bit if your box is a bit tight. But voila! That's a really good, simple fix to get you out of trouble. And so you don't have to mess around chasing the old box out, put a new one in, plaster work, wallpaper, paint. This 5-minute job rather than a 2-hour job.